Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to clear TikTok cache for getting an extra space for your iPhone. So there will be a shortcuts way to clear your TikTok cache on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, you need to find the applications of TikTok on your home screen, and after you find it, you just need to go click and hold the application. Wait a minute, click and hold until the option is pop up, and you can see that there will be a lot of shortcuts that you can use or you can choose to operate the TikTok. So one of the features or one of the shortcuts that they give to us is clear cache. So you just need to go click it to clear the cache. And now you just need to wait until the calculating process is complete. So the TikTok application will start calculating the cache on your TikTok applications, and you can see the TikToks already take 3 gigabytes. And now you just need to go clear the cache by click this clear and confirm it. So that's the way how to clear the cache of TikTok application in a short way. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.